Most people study English for years, but they still cannot speak. Why? Because they only study. They do not practice speaking. They learn grammar rules. They memorize long word lists. But when someone asks a simple question, their mind becomes empty. This video is different. No difficult grammar, no boring memorizing, just simple English again and again. The first rule is simple. Use small sentences. Do not try to speak perfect English. Try to speak clear English. Start with sentences like, I am ready. I need help. I want water. Small sentences build confidence. Do not wait until you know everything. You can start speaking with very little English. Think about a child. A child does not study grammar first. A child listens, repeats, and uses words every day. You can do the same. Listen to one short sentence. Repeat it slowly, then use it in your own life. For example, hear this. I am going home. Say it. Then change one word. I am going to work. This is powerful. You are not memorizing random words. You are building useful sentence patterns. Pattern 1. I want coffee. I want food. I want to learn English. Pattern 2. I need time. I need help. I need practice. Pattern 3. Can I sit here? Can I ask a question? Can I try again? Now you are not just learning English. You are using English. That is the real change. The second rule is speak before you feel ready. Waiting for confidence does not work. Speaking creates confidence. At first, your voice may be slow. That is okay. Your sentences may be simple. That is okay too. Do not say, my English is bad. Say, my English is growing. This small idea changes everything. The third rule is repeat real situations. Practice ordering food, asking for directions, and talking about your day. Say, I would like tea. Say, where is the station? Say, today I am busy. You do not need 1,000 words to start. You need useful words and useful sentences. The fourth rule is speak every day for 5 minutes, not 1 hour once a week. 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes is easy. Talk about your morning. Talk about your food. Talk about your plans. For example, I wake up. I drink coffee. I go to work. I feel good. This is not childish. This is smart. Simple English becomes natural English when you use it many times. The fifth rule is stop translating every word. Try to connect English with pictures, actions, and feelings. When you see water, say water. When you open a door, say open the door. Make English part of life. The sixth rule is copy short phrases from real speakers. Copy the sound. Copy the rhythm. Copy the feeling. Do not only read English with your eyes. Use your mouth. Your mouth must practice English too. So remember, small sentences, real situations, daily speaking, no fear. No perfection. This is how you start speaking English. No grammar stress, no memorizing pressure. Just speak a little every day.